Hi everyone, I just wanted to let you know that due to some personal medical issues, I wasn't able to upload videos recently. I'm feeling better now and will try my best to upload videos regularly again. Thank you so much for your patience and support. Now, let's learn Mojo. First, I need to install Mojo again on my machine. As you know, Mojo requires the Windows subsystem for Linux. If you have not installed it yet, you can watch my previous video where I explain how to install it. Right now, I am in the Ubuntu terminal. First, we create a directory called Mojo. This command creates a new folder named Mojo. Then we move into that folder using the change directory command. After that, we run this curl command. I will leave all of these commands in the video description, so you can easily copy and paste them. Now it is downloading. Next, we use the pixi command. Pixi is a package manager built on the Conda ecosystem. It is very fast, works across different platforms, and manages complex dependencies, such as C++ and Python libraries, much better than many traditional tools. You need to restart the terminal to run this pixi command. Now we run the command, pixi add mojo. The installation process will take some time.
2,000 years later.
Now it is done. Restart the terminal again, move into Hello World folder and then write pixi shell. You can see the Mojo version now. Good, it is done. Now let's write Hello World Mojo program and run it. Oops, wrong spellings. Here I write a simple Hello World program. Save it using Ctrl-O and then hit enter and then Ctrl-X to exit this nano text editor. You can run using Mojo command now. There is some error, I forgot parenthesis. It prints Hello World. Congratulations! Now you are ready to start coding in Mojo and experiment with it as much as you like. Thank you so much for watching.